Hi, my name is Andrea Gomez.
And my name is Karen Packanings.
We're seniors in Corona High School, and we're going to teach you how to take Cornell notes.
Also known as focus notes.
So this worksheet shows the layout of how to take focus notes. On the left-hand side, you will be putting the topic of the subject that you are taking, of the notes that you will be taking. On the right-hand side, you will write your name, your class, your period, and the date. They must be in pen or points will be taken off. Make sure to write them in pen. Below it, you will write the essential question. It is a question that drives the lesson being taught by your teacher. So, for example, how can I get better in certain things?
First, you will need to fold the paper in half or draw a line down the left side of the paper. On the left side of the paper, you will have 3 or more questions that are related to the notes that you're taking. On the right side of the paper, you will be writing notes that you'd be taking in class. And on the bottom, make sure to leave space so that you can write your summary sentence, and they should be 4 or more sentences. In avid, there are always going to be binder checks, specifically on Fridays. There should be 3 pages of notes for the 4 subjects. The avid teacher will always randomly choose which subjects are going to be graded on, so always be prepared.
Okay, now we're going to be talking about examples of how focus notes should be looking like. As you can see, I do mine a bit differently. I write the title on the right-hand side, and I write the essential question on the left-hand side. How can I learn from my mistakes? As you can see, these are for my homework notes. Don't forget to put the date on the right-hand side and write it in pen. You can write it however you want, as long as you write it in pen. On the left-hand side, I have the 3 essential questions. These are from problems that I need help with, and you can actually use these for tutorials too. On the right-hand side, I write the steps on how to solve the problem. I color code them so that it's easier for me to understand. It's very recommended that you color code your notes, especially if it's math. So after writing down the steps, you will write the summary of what you have learned and what you can do best. On the right-hand side, on the right paper, I did the same thing. You write the 3 essential questions, the work, and the summary. Don't forget to make these Cornell style.
Here's another option of how to take the avid notes in case you forget how to do it or just didn't have time in class to fold the paper.